Hello, what's up guys? Welcome to the new video. In this video, we are going to learn about the Venn diagram in the sets. So let's suppose here we have the two sets, the set A and the set B. We know that the union of a set is the combination of the elements in both the sets, and we will write a new set. So A union B equal to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. The elements of both the sets will be included in a new set. And remember, the common elements will be written once only. And this is the Venn diagram of a set. This is the set A. So this is the set B. And the common elements will be written once. So we have shaded this area. And here we have the intersection of the sets. Let's suppose we have the two sets. The set A is the set B. And the elements of the set A are 1, 2, 3, 4. And the elements of the set B are 3, 4, 5. So we will write a new set. A intersection B equal to 3, 4. The common elements from both the sets will be written in a new set. And this is the Venn diagram of the A intersection B. So this is the set A and this circle is the set B. So this shaded area is the intersection. It means the common elements from both the sets will be written in a new set. So we will subtract the elements of set B from set A. 2, 3 will be subtracted from set A and 1 will be left. So the new set will be A minus B equal to 1. And this is the Venn diagram of the A minus B. We have not shaded this area because all the elements of the set B were subtracted from the set A. So this area will be shaded. It means A minus B is this one. So this is another operation, A complement. It means subtracting the elements of A from the universal set. So let's suppose the elements in the set A are 1, 2, 3. Universal set are 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. So we will subtract the elements of set A from U, universal set. So the remaining elements will be 4 and 5. So therefore A complement will be 4 and 5. And this is the Venn diagram of the A complement. It means this whole box is the universal set and we are subtracting the elements of set A. So this shaded area is the elements left in the new set. So this is the Venn diagram of the A complement. This is another operation, that is the symmetric difference. So A delta B, it means the elements of the set A which are not present in set B and the elements of set B which are not present in set A. So the new set will be written A delta B equal to 1, 2, 4 and 5. 3 is present in this set and in this set as well. So it will not be written. And this is the Venn diagram of the A delta B. This is the set A and this is the set B. And the elements which are common in both the sets will not be shaded. So the remaining area will be shaded. This is all about the Venn diagram. I hope you understand. Thank you for watching this video.